Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Trump's recently promulgated travel ban, or I should say expanded travel ban, and it has come about as a result of a recent quote-unquote proclamation. I guess it is a proclamation. Shouldn't really quote that. But basically it's an announcement that basically it's an executive order, and certain folks are going to be barred from coming into the United States based on the pretext that of employment. But I've had a lot of emails and I've had a lot of questions on this, and when I say employment, I should say due to employment issues, the lack thereof in the United States, it appears they're trying to implement this policy in order to keep it more competitive for Americans in the U.S. I'm not absolutely certain, but long story short, there is this proclamation out. In fact, it's titled Proclamation Suspending Entry of Aliens Who Present a Risk to the U.S. Labor Market Following Coronavirus Outbreak. And I'm going to quote some relevant sections. It should be noted, this thing specifically refers to a prior proclamation. We did a video on that. I'll get to the analysis of that sort of here at the end, but just to quote the relevant sections. Section 2, suspension and limitation on entry. The entry into the United States of any alien seeking entry pursuant to any of the following non-immigrant visas is hereby suspended and limited, subject to Section 3 of this proclamation. A, an H-1B or H-2B visa and any alien accompanying or following to join such alien. B, a J visa to the extent the alien is participating in an intern, trainee, teacher, camp counselor, au pair, or summer work travel program, and any alien accompanying or following to join such alien. And C, an L visa and any alien accompanying or following to join such alien. Quoting further from Section 3B, the suspension and limitation on entry pursuant to Section 2 of this proclamation shall not apply to any lawful permanent resident of the United States, any alien who is the spouse or child as defined in Section 101B1 of the INA, 8 U.S.C. 1101B1 of a United States citizen. 3, any alien seeking to enter the United States to provide temporary labor or services essential to the United States food supply chain, and any alien whose entry would be in the national interest as determined by the Secretary of State, Secretary of Homeland Security, or their respective designees. So clearly, we're looking at rather major changes with respect to non-immigrant employment-based visas, but the purpose of this video is to provide, I guess, some reassurance to folks who are either processing or looking to get started on the K-1 visa. Based on my analysis of both the initial proclamation and then this one, which sort of amends and extends the parameters of that proclamation, as of now, it appears that K-1 visas are not going to be impacted by these proclamations. It should also be noted that spousal visas probably, it looks to me like, are not impacted by these if they're married to a United States citizen. So the thing to take away from this video for K-1 fiancés, it looks like yet again we've seen a rather ominous sounding executive order come to the forefront, and it now appears that no, it is not going to be a major detriment for those who are seeking a K-1 visa to bring a fiancé into the United States.